Hello guys, welcome back to my channel here, don't say. So this is my another vlog. I hope you will like it. So today I will share my that video vlog that I was visiting to Kamakya temple in Guwahati, Assam. So that first of all, I like to say thank you very much for supporting me. So as in musician, as in vlogs, video, and sometimes I used to free time, then I used to cook according to that, I feel little good here. So this time I getting time here after hard work. So that before, after winter and before summer, so I was feeling very good and pleasant this day. So that's why I'm here with you again with the new vlog. So you can, I was journey by train. It will very good, the local train. You can see that we can move around here inside. So we will never feel bored, and don't think that you will be feel bored in here in by train. In any state in Assam, you can move that by train, and it will be very easy journey. So you will not feel that much bored as in by bus or by any other communications. So you can see we have almost arrived here at Kamakya junctions by train. So we can, if we go a little bit far from here, then it will become the Guwahati. You can see that Kamakya junction here. So we are crossing across that, fly over here. So a little, we have to go to the platform number 1. So we have almost fail here. That train almost arrived in the second. Okay, so it's almost 8 o'clock right now. So I hope we'll be safe journey as we are coming to worship Goddess Kamakya. So she will bless us as she blessed till now. She has been blessing us. So I guess so we have almost reached here. So this is the way. So that is the main gate Kamakya. You can see here all right has been written in big cloud. Here inside the van. So from here it takes only 10 to 15 minutes, and the prices only 30 rupees, 30 birds. So from here it will very fine. Nowadays that road has been making very finely and very smoothly here, that you can arrive anytime, any day. So this is my first experience. Let me see that what will be there. I mean, the locations. I never has been here. So I never been here at the Kamakya temple. So this is my first experience as I gonna share with you. I hope you will enjoy my video. So not that much quality, while checking my that because of tired this city, very hot during this time also. I don't never expect that this much hot weather. So it's okay for the time being. Sometimes we have to face, every time there will be no any fine, sometimes we have to face only. So you can see as we have almost arrived. We have, yes, and now you can see here we'll find a shop here nearby that by walking also it takes 5 minutes from here. We can keep our shoes or any others like necessary that you have been carried with you by you, and bag and baggage. No cost, it's very free from here. Nobody will take you, nobody will do anything. Very people are very good here in Assam. If you want any help from them, then obviously they will as much they can. They always try to be better, best from them. So I am here now. I just trying to keep my shoes. So after long here, I'm almost about to reach that main temple here. So people are very far, from very far place. They trying to visit here these temples from Kerala and any other state like in India, like South India. So from different places the people are visiting here. So once you should have to be in here. I think I just if you get a free time, just once you have to visit, you can visit. Yes. So myself also I could visit before, but I didn't get any time. So now I was free and we were happy and pleasant these days. So I'm trying to here after doing my whole list, my work. So you can see here the crowd of people. It's just 8:30 some morning. So I never expect that the people's like crowd of people here unable to insert inside, but you see here lots of animals also, because the sacrifice has been done in here. So and others like proposals, so that you can click a picture here. That one person here asking me he will take only 100 rupees, and he will provide by clicking picture that a photo A4 size. That will be great here to click photo and you keep as a memory or memorial. Okay, so guys, first of all in the intro gate you can see the goddess Sati's Kamakya. So Sati picture and others like sculpture, art, very fine here. The ancient peoples, they so we can crack that coconuts here, and whether you can fire that candle here, burn the candle inside here. Lots of crowd of people here today. I don't think that we can move. You see the line here inside. Many people are crowd of people were inside the temples. Actually that prohibited inside clicking picture or any kind of videos, according to the rule and regulation has been written in there. So I just try to concentrate this much only, guys. You can see here or here. So guys, we have already that pasture we have given. We had almost given that. You can see the place. These animals usually here sacrifices. So this place, try to visit once everywhere, and then say I'll see the next video. I'll visit any other vlogs like temple again. So I'll try to give new vlogs. So till then, goodbye.